Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how you can find any language in Hilokal language exchange app. So you can see the home page, but you can see all language here. So this option, simply click the down arrow, and then you will see all the language here, language people talking, and you can also search here and search Bangla. Then you can see it's Bangla, so you can see okay, I'm just choosing, click on that, and here are some two option, Bengali option, or you can join and talk if you want, and or you can see there like this option, report title, not interest, anything, and it is really easy. Or you can also click lesson. Okay, and you can also check following. It means that you're following with whom he's talking, or my trainer, or anything, my cafe, private, so anything you can search it. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's Norman, thank you for watching.